So currently I'm using latest version of Photoshop, and now I'm going to cut out this photo. So after importing the photo on your Photoshop, in this left hand menu, just right click on the selection tool, and here select object selection tool. Now just hover over on your object and you will see your object has been successfully selected automatically. Now just click on your object to make selection. Once the selection created, now to remove your background, just click on this mask icon. You will see your photo has been successfully cut out. And now I'm going to selecting the selection tool and just selecting the layer, pressing Ctrl C to copy, and going to my another photo and pressing Ctrl V, and here you can see the photo has been successfully added. Now to resize this photo, simply press Ctrl T to enable free transform. Now you can easily resize your photo and then click on done. And this is how we can cut out photo in Photoshop.